Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about different scenario like how to use all selected function in DAX. We're going to see in today's video. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding in DAX. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported from the Excel. So like a customer table, dim date, geography, product category, subcategory, sales territory, and internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship, it's very important in Power BI. Okay, and now just click on model. So collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now you can see that already I have established the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. For example, if I place the mouse over here, we can see that based on this key, I have defined the relationship between this dim product and the internet sales. So even you can notice that what kind of direction it is. It's like one direction to many direction. It means that the filter propagation flowing from the dimension table to the fact table. So like that, I have designed the relationship. So now I'll try to go to report. So now we can see that this is the matrix as well. So within this we have region as well as region wise, and when you drill down to further level, we can see that product wise, right? So I'll try to explain what it is. So and also we have one slicer, this is the date slicer, and one card visual. So whatever I'm slicing, so I'm just capturing into this card visual so that easily we can understand from which date to which date we are seeing the data in this report. Okay, so here what I am doing, so first I am taking the region wise, what is the sales amount. For example, Australia, what is the sales amount? Okay, Canada, France, Germany, United Kingdom. So each region wise we have the sales, and this is the overall sales. Okay, this is the overall sales, but when it comes to sales amount, this is the with respect to the filter context. So this row wise, what is the sales amount, but this is the overall sales. So I'm just ignoring all the filters coming from the region. Okay, but whenever I slice dice this by using date, automatically the change is getting affected because I'm just ignoring the filter from the region table, not date table. So that is the reason whenever I change, automatically the filter is getting reflected here also. And I'm taking the percentage here. So based on these two columns, I'm just taking, so what is the percentage of contribution each region wise. For example, if you look at here, so United States performing more percentage contribution compared to the rest of the regions. Okay, and also Australia. So like that, I have created this measure and this measure. Even you can do the slicing also. So based on that, automatically filters are getting applied, but this is coming all region sales, not individual, because I'm just ignoring all the filters coming from the regions. Now see, if you notice here, so what is the total region amount? 16164 or something like that. So we're getting repeating every row, right? So based on that, I am taking the percentage. Now we'll go to the drill down to further level. So if you look at here, so each region wise, I'm just looking at the product sales. Okay, in Australia region, so each product, what is the sales amount? So here, if you notice here also we are getting region wise sales. In this region, so each product, what is the contribution? Okay, each product, what is the contribution? Now you can see that. This is the Australia region. In Canada region, this is, okay, so like that. So I have created the measure. Okay, So even we can slice dice the data. But here if you notice here, I'm applying the conditional formatting. So based on the conditional formatting, we are going to set the background color. I can see if the sales amount or less means some color, if it is a little bit good means we will get different colors. So because of I have applied the conditional formatting, so that is the reason we are getting the different colors for the sales amount as well as the sales percentage color. Now we can slice dice the data, so it works effectively. Okay, so I'll try to show. And here, so what are the slicing I'm doing? I'm just capturing in this card visual. So for example, if you see, so 12th 4 2002 same thing, and 124 2004 same thing. Now I can slice automatically, the changes are reflecting here also. So I'll try to show the what kind of conditional formatting I applied here. So conditional formatting. So, for the sales amount column, click on advanced controls. So it's getting open. Now we can see that. So I have created rules based on these numbers. For example, if the sales amount is between 1 and 1000, give this color. If it is 1000 2000 between, give this color. So like that I have defined the rules. Because of that only we are getting the different colors here. And also we'll try to understand for the sales percentage also. So click on advanced controls. Here also based on the diverging, I'm just displaying if the percentage minimum very low means, so we'll get this kind of color. If it is max means we'll get so this much color. So like that I have designed the so conditional formatting for these two measures, sales amount as well as the sales percentage. So we'll try to understand what kind of expressions I have written for getting these numbers and all. Okay, click on here. So first one is sales amount. So try to zoom it so that we can see clearly. So I have used the calculate max function to get the sales amount, and also I have used the all selected. So here what I'm doing, I'm just filtering by using all selected. So I'm just ignoring all the filters coming from the product table as well as the region table. I'm just taking the filters coming from the date table only, not like region and product. So that is the reason we are getting the all selected sales with respect to that percentage. Okay, so I'm just calculating percentage sales amount divided by all selected sales. So for date range, so I have explained many times, so I'm just taking the concatenate function by taking the min-x as well as the max-x. So I'm just capturing the min date and max date, finally concatenating, so by using this function. So like that I have designed this report. So that's all for today's video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for other videos. Thank you so much for watching.